Hello everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of WebOsmotic. I am Soneji with many of experience in IT industry. I am currently working as a team lead at WebOsmotic. Today I have got some useful information to share with you that will help you in your daily works. So let's get started and learn together. So let's get started with Angular signal. So today we will see what a signal is, why we need signal, how we can use signal in our application, and where we can use signal. So before move to what a signal is, let's see why we need a signal. So let's move to a demo. Here we have a basic arithmetic operation where A contains 5, B contains 10, and C is a summation of A plus B. So what C will console? So C will have value of 15. And now consider another scenario where we wanted to update a value of B and wanted to check what C will have. So C will have a value of 15. So these are the limitations here. So now consider a scenario where we wanted to calculate some values when value of another variables or another things are changed. So this cannot be achieved by using the normal variables. So now let's take the same example with the signals. So here variable x contains a value of 5 and y contains the 10s and z is the summation of x and y. So now let's check what the z value contains. So z value contains 15 and now let's change the value of x to 10. So now what z will contain? Yes, z will contain 10 as x and y are both the same. So this is the signal. Hope you understand. Okay, so let's move to what is signal. So signal is a special type of variable that holds value, but unlike other variables, it provides a change or notification whenever the value of a signal is changed. So in summary, it is a variable, but it also provides a changing notification. It is a reactive and we can call it as a reactive primitive type. It always has a value and it will work like a synchron. So let's see how we can use signal in our application. So to declare a signal, we will use a signal keyword and provide a value in it. We can create signal of any type. Here it is number. Here it is an object. We have created an object and set the value of an signal. So now let's read how we can read a value from a signal. So to read a value of a signal, we need to write name of a signal and a parenthesis. Now we wanted to update value of a signal. So we can update a value of a signal by using set method. It will set the new value of a signal, and if you wanted to update a current value of a signal, then we can use update method. That's it. So let's see another type of signal here, which is computed signal. So what is computed signal? So oftentimes we need some variable that depends a value of another. In a similar manner, we often need a signal which depends on another signal's value, and in that case it's called as a computed signal. So how we can declare computed signal? So we can declare computed signal by using computed keyword, and we will combine signal here and it will do the logic as per we have given here, and it will return total price of a item. And here is another computed signal which will decide what color we wanted to use. So if the total price are greater than 50,000, then it will return green, and else it will return in the blue. So in here, how we can read a value, computed signal's value. So it is the same as the signal. We will use the name of a computed signal and parenthesis. So what is catch here? Here we can only read the computed signal's value, but we cannot update the value of a signal using set or update method. So we have seen what a signal is and what is a computed signal. So let's see where we can use signal in our application. So we can use signal in components, in directive, in services, in template to display the values of signal, and we can use anywhere in our code to work with reactive. So let's take a real-time example to understand signal in deep. So I created a basic application using signal to work with a chart, with a card. So here we have created a signal which will contain a quantity, and here is another signal which will contain an array of a value which we can use for the drop down to select the quantities of an item. And here is an item which is also a signal which holds all the card information of the items. And here we have a computed signal which will calculate the total price of a card by selecting or changing the quantity from them. So let's see, here we have selected the quantity 1. As we change the quantity to 2, it will calculate a total it again, and if we update it again, it will recalculate it again. So here whenever we change the category and quantity, we execute this method. What this will do, it will update the quantity, selected quantity, to the signal, and on the changes of a signal, it will recalculate the total as we have used the total calculate as a computed signal. So that's it. Hope this will help you.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share your feedback in comment section below, and see you in my next video.